Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video on the 1997 Mercedes E320 that could have driven to the moon and part of the way back. Yeah, 315,000 miles on this car right here. And as you can imagine, transmission is now giving me some problems. Don't know what it is yet, but thanks to my new Think Tool Pros, this is a bi-directional scan tool, wireless, Bluetooth. We're going to figure out what's going on, and we're going to tell the car to fix itself. Yes, it is possible, and we're going to show you how. We're also going to save you some money if you decide that you need to have one of these very nice scanners. Here's how it works. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? Right, it looks like snow. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Let me show you how this thing is packaged, and I love it. I really, really do. You get a really nice little hard carrying case right here, and look at all the goodies on the inside. This is your Bluetooth. This is a wireless adapter that plugs right into your OBD port. You get a user manual. This is your Think tool right here. This is the Big Daddy. This is kind of hefty, and it comes already charged, and there are lots of things that you can do with this. Maintenance, TPMS, ADAS. You can tell the modules to do different kinds of things. It will actually search the web for you. I'll show you how that works. You can upgrade it very, very easily, and this thing is pretty amazing. All kinds of tools come with this as well. All kinds of adapters and chargers to fit almost every kind of car out there. What I like about it is this adapter right here. These are hard to find, and I need these because I drive Mercedes. You get those Mercedes with a 32-pin circular OBD port. This is going to plug right into it right there. This attaches to here, and we will plug it right into the car. We'll tell the car to read the error codes, and then we're going to delve deep into the transmission control module, the transmission computer, and have this car fix itself. First, though, we got to get our hands dirty because, you know, you were working with the Mercedes here. So, yeah, these are going to get dirty. This is the port we're talking about right here. This is your 32-pin port to read the computer, and it's a wireless connection to the Think Tool Pro. Yes, love it. I don't know if I need to have this plugged into something. It seems to be doing quite well without the adapter, so let's kind of see what's going to happen right here. I'll set up this, and because it's wireless, I can be anywhere and read the codes. Okay, let's go into the car and see what's going on. Really cool right here. You can see the car is charging 14.39 volts. So this is an 01, it's not a 97 like I thought. So we're going to go here, confirm this. Ignition is on, actually the car is running. And these are all of the systems. This is kind of a setup of how it can read all of the systems and all of the colors. So if it's red, there could be a problem. So I want to go into the TCM because I think that's my problem. So it's a 38-pin connector. It is connected. Ignition is on. Let's go. Read the fault codes. Okay, so here's the problem. We have a speed sensor is faulty. Okay, this is a 013 and a 109. It's the Y3/6N3. The speed sensor 3 is sporadically faulty. Now we can look this up, which is really, really cool. And it'll go on the internet and it will find you information on how you can fix this. Okay, this is Benz World. This is a great forum for people that own Mercedes-Benz automobiles, and you can get all of this information right here. This does it for you automatically. Now, what this means, we have a speed sensor that we need to remove. Where's the speed sensor? Well, let me show you. Here's what we're trying to get to right here under the car. This is your valve body. This is the conductor plate. I was fortunate enough to get a new one online. This is the plate right here, under here. We have the solenoids. One of these two right here is the speed sensor. So the problem I'm having is with something right here is not talking to this and it's not talking to this, and it's screwing up the whole transmission. So this has to come out. You drain the transmission fluid, you take the pan off, then you take off probably 10 or 12 of these little Torx bit bolts, and this just drops. It's really messy, and I'm not going to be able to show you everything. We'll do a little time lapse so you can kind of see what's going on. But this is the issue right here. Once you get the solenoids off, this just lifts off and you can replace it. Super easy to do. What we have here is, yes, valve body, conductor plate, solenoids. This is the part where you want to be very, very clean. So I got it sitting down here on my very clean floor of the garage. Ha! So everything's a T30. So we've got this kind of loosened up here. We'll remove this right here first. And you want to make sure that you get these back in the same position. So I just kind of lay them right there, so I know exactly where they go. This one will go here, and once again, speed sensor. I'm going to say it's this one because this is cracked. Maybe this is the problem. Maybe they heat up or something and then they crack. But I have a new one, like I said, about $100. The worst part of the job is literally the dirt and the mess. Okay, it is really greasy and slimy and gross. And all these do different things. And I'll show you how to test them here in just a second. Okay. This is also where your electrical connector attaches right here. So you want to remove the adapter, the little plug right here. It's a 7mm. Remove that, and then you can get this whole thing out of the car. But there's one little clip over here. Come on, just let go. Where'd you go? Oh, he's right here. Okay. Let go. Just let go, dude. Come on. There it is. Okay. There you go. Conductor plate. This is the bad one. Put the good one in there. We'll give this a quick little cleaning because it does look kind of dirty. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, we'll give it a cleaning. Then we will attach everything and we'll put the covers back on top. Okay, let me show you how you test your solenoids. So we're back. We want to test the solenoids. This is a good time to do it in case one of these is out. You just need to attach a positive and negative lead from your battery and just give them a quick little test. Okay, so we have a negative here and a positive. Listen for a click. Wait, what happened to my lead? Here we go. See, that's a good one. Listen for a click. There you go. You want a nice, powerful click. If you don't, you have a bad solenoid, go to the junkyard, get one out of another car, and you're good to go. Super easy to test. Now, we're going to clean it up and reinstall this with our new conductor plate. Got it all reassembled. This is not broken. Remember how this one is cracked a little bit right there? Yeah, that's the problem. I really think that is the problem. After 315,000 miles, it gave up. Ha! It's probably 3 times its lifespan right there. Yep, 3 times its lifespan. This one looks good. We'll get it all buttoned up. Assembly is the reverse of disassembly. And then we will add some transmission fluid. We will start it, clear the codes, and then we're going to take it for a cruise, and she's going to be perfect. Absolutely perfect. All right, we are now entering the system of the 2001 E320. Okay, so what we need to do is go through and tell the computer to heal thyself. Physician, heal thyself. And it's going to reset everything, and she's going to shift. We're going to have all the gears It's going to be perfect, and I'm going to love this car for a while, and then we're going to sell it. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's good. Switch on the ignition. It's running. Let's go to the TCM. We'll enter that. I think it's we are going through the 38 pin connector, not 32 like I mentioned. Ignition is on. I think I have to go through the ECM though. Let's just see. Sporadically faulty. Resistance too low. Clear. DTCs. Do I have to turn it off and then back on? Let's do it this way, and then we'll do it the other way too, just to make sure. Let's see if we cleared it. Let's do the ECM. No diagnostic trouble codes. So I think we are good to go. We'll check the level of the transmission fluid. We will remove a car, and then we will make sure everything is fine. But I love this, how you can kind of see all the different systems. It's presented very clearly. You can check all of them, or you can check one of them. And like I said, this is bi-directional, so you can go into all of these other things and check them out, and you can have the car perform pretty much whatever you want it to do with all of the modules. You can tell it what to do and to heal thyself. Love it. All right, co-pilot, are you ready to test it out? You ready to go see what we got? I think we fixed it. Do you? Oh, she's so pretty. You're so pretty. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, let's see if we fix the situation. We will turn the camera around and take this old 320 for a spin around the block. We'll add a little bit to the 315,572 miles that she's got right now. All right, and we're off. I don't know how much you can see. Maybe I should turn this off because I really can't see. There we go. Okay, let's see if she's gonna perform. Hold on, Lola. There we go. 1, 2, 3. We fixed it. We have fixed another car, and this lives to see another day, another trip to the moon or back. Oh my goodness. For this car that has taken someone everywhere. This car, 315. I've never had a car with 315,000 miles on it. Look at that. Okay. We're driving good. We have the right amount of transmission fluid. Lola's having fun in the back. I should take another lap and try to hit her. No, I can't do that. Not at all. But we're going to call this a huge success. Okay. We'll park the car in the back. We've got to give her a little wash and work on the paint and the headlights. Boom. And we're parked. We're parked. Lola, what do you think? I think we done fixed another car. We did good, didn't we? Yes, we did. And yes, we did fix this been to the moon and almost back car. Yep, and I want to say thank you to everyone at Think Car because of this scanner tool, Think Tool Pro. Yeah, she's going to live to see another 315,000 miles. Absolutely. I think she's got it in her. She can do it. If you're interested in this scanner right here, as the crow takes aim at me, yeah, there's a $100 coupon. You can save yourself $100 right now. This is a nice unit. This is very nice. It's hefty, like I said before. 28 maintenance functions you can scan. You can tell the car to do things. You can even program portions of your car. The ECU, you can make it do what you want it to. Check it out. It is on Amazon. So please go support the Think Tool Pro.
And if you'd like to support Monkey Wrench Mike, please like, please subscribe. Once again, got those Monkey Wrench Mike stickers. Cash at me $3. Include your address, and you can have one on your car. I don't have one on this car yet, but we'll put one. We're going to put a sticker on this car because she is now ready for the road. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Hug those kids if you got them. Welcome to 2023. It's going to be a good year. We're counting on it. Yes, we are. All right, bye-bye.